What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to drill out your unit bearings on your 04 to 98 Dana 60, to drill them out so that you can put in 35 spline stub shafts instead of the 30 spline. So the way you do that, so as you can see, I got two brand new unit bearings here, okay? So first thing you're going to do, you see this little bearing right here? That's what's in there right there. You're going to knock this bearing out. So you're going to take it out, okay? Because you're replacing that bearing with this bronze bushing. And as you can see, it fits right in there perfectly, right? And when you remove it out, this literally will go right in there. You look inside there, you see the little lip that's in there? You're going to just drill that out. And so to do that, you're going to use a 38 millimeter hole saw. And I just get it from Lowe's. It's a 38 millimeter. And you're just going to drill all the way through to the end. So as you can see, here is your 35 spline stub shaft, okay? And you're going to take, see the bronze bushing? As you can see, you put it on, it's literally a direct fit. So boom, and it'll ride right here on this part of the shaft, okay? So that's all you got to do is just drill it out all the way through, put these in, and bada bing bada boom, you have 35 spline stub shafts. Now you get these bronze bushings from Branik. They're literally like 10 bucks or 20 bucks. So super cheap, not expensive, and as long as you got just some regular drill press, which mine ain't like super powerful or anything, but it's enough to drill right through it, okay? So here we go. Yep, he's going right through, as you can see, no problem. Perfect. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the finished product. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like before, right? And all you're doing is you're just getting rid of this like lip. See? Barely. You're just barely cutting off just enough. So, this is a 35 spline stub. And if you look, see, that one will not go in. But this one, boom. So that's all you got to do. So all I'm going to do is just take that bronze bushing right there, put it in there, press it in, and voila, you got 35 spline unit bearings. I wanted to show you guys the finished product. So that's already installed, and as you can see, it leaves the lip in there enough to where this will still be held in. So as you can see, there's still lip. And all I do is I take this 1 1/8" socket from Harbor Freight. The end of it fits this perfect, like that. Take it, you're going to stick it right there. And then all I do is I just hammer it in. So it's flush. And bada bing, bada boom. You got 35 spline unit bearings. And now, boom. See? And it'll ride right on that. So, perfect.